Hey there, and welcome back to Cosmic Crypto. In this video, we're going to be talking about Ravencoin, RVN. Let's go. Alright, welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go down below, hit that subscribe button. And while you're down there, if you can tap the like button, I'd really appreciate it. It is the best way to support the channel. Alright, Ravencoin. Let's start on the daily time frame. So, boy, volume never came in. So we've been waiting for that volume to come in, and it's just not showing up. What happened is we got a nice move to the upside, and you can see it got perfectly rejected off of the blue line here, which has been resistance for some time now. This is the bottom of the triangle pattern, and this is a rejection. So we do have not only the RSI on the daily time frame not even able to reach 60, but we got a massive wick here to the top side, hitting the blue line here, getting rejected, and we also got a red dot on the trend directional on the daily, and there is zero volume to be shown. Let's go down to the 4-hour really quick. Again, zero volume. We did get overbought here on the 4-hour with that big candle. There was a big push right here on a 4-hour time frame to try and get above and into this triangle again, and it just never happened. You can see that there's no volume coming in. Now, this isn't still the end of the world. We're still holding on to the 786 fib on the macro, and this could be because this was a decent move. So from this bottom down here to the top was a 45% move if you caught any of this. So, I mean, it looks terrible when you zoom out, but, I mean, if you just take the measurement, like I said, I mean, 45% is a pretty solid move over roughly 15 days. So, I mean, that could just be exhaustion. I know that there's no volume coming in, but we did get bought here. We did get a red dot on the trend directional as well, so there was definitely some kind of retracement that was going to happen. So maybe that's what's happening right now. Let's take a look. So if we take a fib down from the bottom here to that top, you can see that we broke down from the 382. We are underneath the 0.5 now, and my guess is that this is coming down 618, maybe down to the 786. And this is where we need to find support at the lowest. If we break down further than that, then I don't think Ravencoin is moving up anytime soon. I think we need to find this support as a retracement and then work our way back up, finally get the break above this 200 EMA here on the 4-hour time frame. And then after we do that, then we can get the break back into the triangle. But right now, all hope for Ravencoin is resting, in my opinion, right around that 0.1636 area. There's just zero volume coming in. We need some volume candles coming in still. I'm still going to keep harping on that because we're not going anywhere unless we get some volume, and green volume, I should say. If we get a lot of red volume, bearish volume, then that's not good either. So expect this retracement to probably continue down to that 618. And then hopefully we get some moves back to the upside and break back into that triangle. So yeah, I mean, there's really not a whole lot I can say about Ravencoin. Other than, I mean, I did change my chart. I don't know if you've noticed that. So I switched to the Bittrex chart. I was using the Binance US, and we all know what happened with Jasmine on Binance US. So don't want to get into that. So anyway, I've switched over to the Bittrex. There's a lot more wicks happening here on Bittrex, and there's a lot more. The candles are weaker. I might go look for a different chart. If you got a better chart, let me know down in the comments. I'd like to take a peek. Yeah, so right now Bittrex, and we're just hoping for some kind of a support to come in here on a higher low, and then we can continue on to the upside, break back into this triangle. And again, this still could just be a fake out to the downside. My only reservations on that is so much space right here. We didn't get any momentum. This was Ethereum merge, and so after the Ethereum merge, you expect, buy the rumor, sell the news. Everybody sold the news. But then after buy the rumor, sell the news, you would expect to get the breakout. And you would expect to get that retracement, come back up, and then break out. But what happened is we didn't have any momentum to the upside. The volume started to come in, as you can see down here. We started to get some volume in there. but not enough to even come up to the top of this triangle. And we had that large gap show up right there, and we just lost momentum and continued on to the downside. I don't know what these wicks are right here, so because this is a different chart, could be maybe Bittrex had some moves to the upside, and I mean obviously the wick hit the top of the triangle too, or those just could be some kind of error on the Bittrex chart. But like I said, if you got a better chart, leave it down in the comments below. I will take a look. Right now, just hoping for some kind of a support. We need a higher low on the lower time frames right now, even on the daily time frame, I guess. But just waiting to see what happens there. We do have some green in the market. We did have that big some coins falling 5 to 10%, even more. I was expecting that in all my videos. I've been talking about sideways action or retracement. Now this could actually be the retracement to the upside, so there could still be downwards momentum to a lot of these coins as well. But you can see that Ravencoin's really not going anywhere, while some other coins, Apt is up almost 2%, Gala is up almost 1.5%, and Eagle is up 1.5%. And Ravencoin's still sitting down there at 0.42. So anyway, that's pretty much what I got for Ravencoin. Just going to continue to watch it, wait and see. And I'll keep making videos when there's reason to. That's what I got. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and I will talk to you later.